Crusade is a textile company set up in 1920. Predominantly the patterns of the early Crusade period were all designed by Alec Walker, and they were generally inspired by the local landscape, so the Cornish landscape, and they were sort of simplified designs from watercolours and drawings and oil paintings that he did around the area.
Penlee being mainly fashion exhibition, which we've been shooting, there's been a lot of dresses and a lot of ladies' formal wear. A lot of focus on the patterns themselves, because the nature of Crusade and his style, if you like, is to have quite distinct patterns that may be repeated and integrated with the colours. So the colour has to be dead right and the pattern has to be very well represented.
Yeah, it's really exciting when you get to a new museum and you're sort of seeing the garments, the dresses, what you have in front of you for the first time. I think there's a sort of excitement as well that not a lot of people have seen this, and you're part of the solution for getting it out there in a new interactive manner.
A digital model is something that can be viewed both in a museum to give a greater insight and detail of the model, but also it can be viewed virtually. So it can be put on a website and put into 3D, or we can put it on a QR code so people can see on mobile. Where we can push the envelope, if you like, is actually taking that 3D model, bringing it to life, and be that through a computer game, or be it through animation or a virtual exhibition. There's so many different exciting ways we can explore to bring the different models to life.
The Crusade collection is kind of known for its patterns, really. But what kind of gets overlooked is the materials that they're made from. So a lot of them are silks, linens. The silks, however, are a little bit more difficult, so we've had to come up with some rather inventive ways to scan them and make sure that everything gets documented correctly.
As you can see behind me, this is our only display space for the costume, so we can only have sort of any 2 items out at a time, 2 garments. So to be able to have them 3D modelled means that we can just allow such greater public access, and it means that, like I say, the textile students can actually kind of see the entire garment 360 degrees and zoom in up close to see the patterns without actually having to sort of come here and me have to handle them.